everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to change from landscape to portrait in PowerPoint. So what you gotta do is to click here in design. Here we have home, insert, draw and design. Design is located between draw and transitions. Click on design. Here you have slide size. Click on custom slide size, and then here you have orientation slides, and here instead of landscape is checked landscape. Please click on portrait, and now you just click OK. You can click on maximize here, or you can also from here you can also click on here, and you have some custom slide sized for some custom sizes here. Let's say A3 paper or A4. Click on OK. You can also ensure fit, or you can go with A3 still portrait. We want still portrait, and as you can see here, you are scaling to a new slide size. Would you like to maximize the size of your content or scale it down to ensure it will fit on the new size? Ensure fit. And now we have our size. We can go here, use this chat GDP extension plugin to create a slide. Create a slide. Very nice extension, or add in from here. And now we have our slide. Now we can go to designer here, which opened automatically. Add some designs, and pretty much we created our presentation. Very nice and easy. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.